Today turned into a surprisingly relaxing day. We went to church here near where we're staying, which was really nice. And then we got a quick lunch, brought it home to eat. And now we're going on a walking tour, but not just any walking tour. It is a Harry Potter themed walking tour of London. So we get to see the different sites that are either influential in the movies or the books, or just learn different things. So.
I don't know what it is about today, but it is definitely feeling just like it's slower. We're not really doing as much. I feel way behind in editing and just trying to keep this moving. It's strange traveling every day and having to decide what to do, what to eat, what's exciting to go see, or what we feel like doing. That changes day to day, and I think today we're just seeing that kind of at its peak. We didn't leave the house until after 5. We're excited for the next tour though. Harry Potter is going to be awesome. I'm sure there'll be a lot to see. And then in honesty about our travels in London, since we've been here before, a lot of stuff isn't brand new. So it's kind of lost that wonder. I still love London, but for whatever reason, it just feels like we're back in the States. The fact that we're staying with my cousins and staying in an apartment / house, it's very comfortable and it's just different. So it's not as exciting as I thought it would be, at least a film. You can be the judge.
Slytherin! That adds up!
I might check something out.
Ravenclaw! Slytherin and Ravenclaw so far. Oh.
This is so fun.
For perspective, what's really strange about being all the way west in Europe and now Great Britain is it's 8 o'clock right now and it's still super sunny out. The sun hasn't even fully set. It's so cool.
She gets to you, you'll stun Harry. So dramatic. Well done, guys. JK Rowling, working in London, wandering in Montythehokage alley. So when they were making Montythehokage alley in the Watson Studios, they couldn't find these shops anywhere else in the world. They're only on this page.
That was so fun. It was the best walking tour because not only are you walking around a really cool city with lots of historic buildings, but it's all about Harry Potter, which is just so fun to see, like the different spots where it was either based on from JK Rowling, different parts of the books, or where the movies were filmed. That was really fun.
And I got higher points than Kristen, so my house won.
We had trivia throughout, and of course Peter, who memorizes any movie fact ever, was doing very well.